Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Anne at Little Bird Commissary Kitchen here to talk to you about another product we sell here in our mini gourmet market. We're excited to talk about Kewpie Mayonnaise. We love this mayonnaise. It's been around since 1925. It's Japanese style mayonnaise. The secret to their recipe is that they only use egg yolks, not the entire egg in their mayonnaise recipe. Because of that, it creates a super umami, savory, custardy mayonnaise. So good. Oh my gosh. We love it on poke bowls. Scott mixes in a little bit of his mayonnaise, of Kewpie mayonnaise, with his crunchy chili garlic oil, and we spread that on sandwiches. Such a treat. We do carry it here in our market, and we hope to see you soon. Come on in and check out all the other foodie gourmet items. Talk to you later. Bye.